Hello guys! So today we're gonna do YouTube logo. You know, you all want some good YouTube logos. Let's go. So go into place it. You can just Google it. Go into Google, type that in. Oh, Googler, not Google. And then you can just type in place it, and there you go. Go in that website, and you can see they have game templates, they have animation, they have logos, they have all kind of shit here, man. Even t-shirt, you can print it out on t-shirt. I have not done it, man. I have not gone so far in this life, but you can see, man, you can I mean, you can start a brand right here, man. Anyways, you have Twitch banner if you do Twitch. Oh, that's kind of... I have not checked this out. Oh, they have a free ones also. I kind of needed to use. Dude, I kind of like that. So you're gonna go into logos and type your brand name. So what do we call those? Pine. Oh, that's so wrong. Pineapple Kermit. yeah, that's good. Please pick your industry. So it will be all gaming. Let's go. Pineapple Kermit. What a name, man. So you can choose the color. So you can have two colorways. So we can choose a yellow. Oh, this is... Oh my god, this will look like ninja right here, man. We was not supposed to do like that. But we can choose those... Oh my god, what's a pineapple, dude? Oh, I like this colorway though. Oh, this was nice. This is nice. There we have it. Pineapple Kermit, man. But you can see you have so many options, and I wanna see what else they have in this section of this row. I like that one, but the text is... you cannot see the text so good. Do they have... oh, that was kind of nice actually. Dude, I want to check that out. Oh my god. Dude, here we have it, man. So you can change that. I kind of like that. Yeah, that was so much better. Masters. Nah. I think you should do double row. So clip that out and put that in right under, so you have that double row effect. Yeah, that's good. Then we should change the font because that looks not good. It's so hard to see, man. Kind of like that a bit. See what more we have. Yeah, I kind of like that. That was kind of good font. Audio wide. Yeah, not so bad. I mean, you can spend so much time in this. You can go insane just looking for the right one. But I think this will do. So the thing you will do now is go and search for your clipping tool. For me, everything is on Swedish, but you know what I mean, man. Anyways, so you will just clip it out like that, and you will save it, and just do like that. And then you will go into your Photoshop online. So Pixlr, online food editing and launch Pixel E. So open image. Yeah, so you have the image here. So now the only thing you will do now is just do like that, and now you will have almost everything gone. I mean, you can spend some time with it to get everything away, but you can see there is some left, you know. So we could try take those out. This one will be hard because you see the lines. That is not easy, man. So you need to spend some really quality time right there, man. But the top row we can, that one we can make. Dep, and dep. And dep. We can do it on this one also. Give it a little more pop to the color, man. And oh, it was not now. Now it's white. Oh, that looks kind of weird. We need to redo that. That was not good. Yeah, so it will look like this, man. So just save it and download it, close, and then show on map, and here you go. Here you have it, man. So here you have it, man. Nice and easy. How about that? I mean, you can pay if you want. I mean, $40, that up to you, man. That is all up to you. But I mean, the FBI won't come and knock on your door. I mean, what are they gonna do, man? FBI, open up! But that is just one way to do it. And then you have also panels for your YouTube channel, so you can just look it up. You can find most of them is free, and some paid, of course. But I mean, it's not hard to find something that you like. But anyways, guys, see you on my next video. If you like this video, leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel to see more content. I do video games content mostly. I will maybe try out some guitar stuff, but I don't know. That is up to you guys. If you want to see some guitar stuff, write that in the comments. If you have a song or something, write that in the comment, man, down below. Just say what you want. I want to hear it. If you hate this video, leave a dislike. If you hate me, leave a dislike and tell me in the comments why you hate me. I don't even care, man. But yeah, you know what I mean, man. You feel me? I will see you all in my next one, and don't forget, Black Lives Matters. Hey-do.